Hi, this video is to talk about MBA CET mentoring plus workshop plus practice course that we have. So, what is the basic content of this course? It includes individual mentoring by Patrick, that's me, where I talk guide you with regards to mock strategy and preparation. Right? The idea is what is the right strategy, what is the strategy you're using, how can you modify your strategy to help you score better. Okay, a total 25 hours of live workshop plus practice session will be there. So basic ideas will give you practice for the various questions that normally come in the examination. And the focus will be on shortcuts and approaches. I mean, how to solve things faster approach. The classes will be conducted post 8 o'clock on weekdays. If you are staying at around Thane, you can come on classroom lectures, which happens on weekends at Thane. Right, you can choose that. So the course for that, you can contact us at 9821314788, or you can email us at support@coinacademy.com and visit our website web.patrick100.com. Right. Yeah, all the best.